In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a macOS Catalina bootable USB installer. Alright, so the very first step that we need to take in order to create a macOS Catalina bootable USB drive is to, of course, download macOS Catalina onto our hard drive. So we do this by going to the Mac App Store, going to the search bar, and searching up macOS Catalina. You should see something that looks like this. Click on it, and then click on Get. This will open up system updates or software updates within system preferences, and it will begin to install macOS Catalina onto your computer hard drive. Alright, so macOS Catalina has finished installing for me, and all I'm going to need to do now is to simply go up to my taskbar and quit the installer, quit settings, and quit the App Store as well. So the next step is to insert our USB into the computer. Now once our USB is inserted into the computer, all we need to do is go to our dock, click on Finder, click on the applications icon right here, and scroll all the way down to the bottom till we see the utilities folder. Click on it and then click on Terminal. Once Terminal's opened up, we want to go back to our applications folder and locate the Install macOS Catalina installer. Click on it, then right-click, click Show Package Contents, then click on Contents, click on Resources, and once we're here, we want to go back to Terminal and we want to type in sudo space, and we want to drag create install media into Terminal. Once we've done that, we want to type in -- volume space, and then we want to drag our USB into Terminal like that, and then click on Enter. Terminal will ask for our password. We want to just type that in, click on Enter. If you wish to continue, type Y, then press Return. So I'm going to type Y, press Return. Now it's going to start erasing my disk or reformatting the USB that I'm going to install macOS onto. Then it's going to start copying macOS onto the disk. Now this is going to be a process that will take some time, so I'm just going to speed it up from here on. So after just a few minutes of waiting, my bootable USB drive for macOS Catalina has been created. That is literally all you have to do to create one. In fact, if I go over here to my USB drive right here, I click on it, I can see it's installed right here. So all I need to do is install it onto my computer, and I can do that by holding down the Option key, shutting down my computer, holding down the Option key, and booting into the USB from there. So that's pretty much all you have to do to create a macOS Catalina bootable installer USB. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you would like to see more content like this, subscribe. And if you like this video and want to see more videos like it, hit the like button. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.